We're going to need 300 grams of unsalted room temperature butter, also 150 grams of sugar, granulated sugar, caster sugar, whatever you've got. I'm going to mix this in now. Alright, once you have the butter and sugar combined, we're going to start adding eggs. Altogether, we are putting 6 eggs. I have large, and we're going to alternate it with some sifted self-raising flour. So I always put about 1 egg, maybe 2. Now mix this in, then add flour, and then continue that way until it all stops curdling and it's gonna be nice and smooth. As you see, when you add egg, the mixture always will curdle up like this. That's why we alternate it with flour. So I put a bit of flour, and every time you stir this, it will get nice and smooth. Alright, you see? And the flour mixes in, it's all nice. I forgot to mention the amount of flour we are using in this recipe is 450 grams of self-raising, okay? So again, 1, 2 egg. Again, mix, add flour, mix, add the last egg and flour and mix well. Okay, now I'm on my almost last portion of flour. I have finished all my 6 eggs, and I kept a little bit of flour now, which I'll show you why. So we've mixed in 6 eggs, almost all of our flour. You can use electric whisk, please do so. I have it, but I don't feel like cleaning it right now, so I'm doing this by hand. Okay, now before I add the last piece of the flour, we're going to use juice of 2 lemons. I'm gonna put all of that in. If you want that nice lemon flavor, 2 large lemons, please. And gently mix it in. This will also make your mixture curdle, that's why I have kept the last portion of my flour for this purpose. So after the lemon is mixed in, I will fold in the flour so your dough is all nice and smooth. Alright, this is our dough ready. Looks like this. And we're going to pour it in a 9-inch round tin. Grease the edges of your tin with some butter and then dust it with flour. And place a parchment paper at the bottom of it. Lightly spread it around. The cake ready like this is going in the oven now for 160 degrees. Fun function. And if you have electric, that would be 180. And this will take about 1 hour and a half, 1:15 maybe. Keep checking. You don't want to burn it, but yes, it takes a bit longer to bake than usual cakes. Okay, it took exactly 1 hour 20 minutes to bake. If you're wondering why this cake is on a little bit of a brown side, then don't worry, it's always like this. I've baked it millions of times and it always turns out this light brownish color. No, it's not burned. As you can see, the inside is nice and light colored. And also, yes, if you are saying, hey, this thing is so dry, oh god, yes, it is. Not by my fault, that's just how Madeira cake is. I have no idea what my husband is seeing in this cake, but it's apparently the best thing after sliced bread. Well, what can I say? No cream, no fruit, no thank you, but okay. To make the icing for our Madeira cake, we're gonna need juice from half a lemon, which I have already squeezed and removed the pulp from it. And then you just need to add enough icing sugar, which I don't have any measurement for. This is really just use your eyes and use how thick or thin you want it, and of course how sweet or sour you like it. So it's better to just add little at a time. Just keep mixing until you get the Alright, my icing is now mixed. All the sugar is dissolved. This is the consistency I have gotten for the drizzle. Well, this is all that I do with my Madeira cake. A bit of lemon drizzle. And it's ready to enjoy. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. Try it and let me know what you think.